Hey, what's up guys? I'm Jake coming at you. Today, I'm going to show you the quick setting of the Alcatel 3X 2019. And just before I start, I want to tell you something about the sides. Now, in the unboxing, I made a little mistake that I said the design is just a simple, one looking design. They ditched the previous, on the side design that they usually do in the curvature. But actually, when I looked deeper on this phone, there is some sort of texture over here that you cannot actually, you barely can see it. You can see the line over here. There are small line textures over here, curvature over here. So it's actually better, maybe a little bit grippy on the side than on the top here. So yeah, this is something that's very, very minimal, design aesthetics that Alcatel took care of that I actually couldn't even notice. But anyways, let's go back to the phone. The phone is beautiful, guys. I'm telling you, the aesthetics, the 20:9 aspect ratio is really beautiful, especially if you're gonna play games. It's really good for your hand and playing Call of Duty, PUBG, all that stuff. It's really great. So let's go to the settings section and straight up here. So let's take a look at what we have. Pay fast for Google, set screen lock, typical code or passwords. Eye comfort mode, that this actually I set it on eye comfort mode to make it better for your viewers to watch the content here, because it's better if you put it in eye comfort. The lens on the camera over here can actually absorb light even better. So let's go to display, and in display we have home app, navigation bar, status bar, notch display. Let's see if we can so you can allow or just remove the notch for whatever application that you're using, especially games. So this is a really good thing. So once you install, like for example Call of Duty, go back to the notch display, click on the notch, it's gonna make the notch disappear, so make your experience better. That's the notch thing. Full screen apps. So basically here says choose what apps you want to use for full screen. So that's actually option that you can have over here. Brightness level, eye comfort mode, which is I'm using here, and you can extend the comfortness, so you can see the color of my skin now is actually different. So just to show you, now it's better. So it's better to keep it in the middle to make your viewing angle looks better. And you can actually schedule timing for it. Maybe you can just schedule it for example, at night. Every night it's gonna turn to reading mode. So adaptive this brightness over here. Enable wallpaper, pictorial. What is this word, pictorial? So I think this is like moving wallpaper. Let's take a look. Nothing. So let's see the wallpapers here. Pictorial. Let's choose this Alcatel wallpaper. Let's see if it actually works. Say both. I don't see any moving subjects. Then it's not actually for like background. So that is something we need to consider. Maybe ask someone who knows about Alcatel. What do they mean by pictorial? What is wallpaper pictorial? Back to the display. There you go. Enable wallpaper pictorial. I don't know. Anyways, anyone knows about this, let me know in the comment section below, guys. Wallpapers. You basically choose wallpapers, so that's simple. By the way, I enabled the gestures mode, so it's not like swapping to the left to the right or right to the left. It's from down to bottom, just like the Samsung M30s or the Samsung ecosystem One UI. So you one slide on the right side, it's gonna go back. Slide from down to up in the middle, it's gonna turn down all your apps. So let's continue. Auto rotation, it's on sleep after 1 minute. Front size, screen saver. So that's about the display, security, and location. Security, typical security stuff. Advanced features, screen recorder, You can set your screen resolution 720p, and the sound you want to mute the mic or make it unmuted. But in my opinion, they should actually let this be, I mean, the sound mic, or turn off the mic on the screen while you're recording, just like the P20 Pro, which is really, really beneficial. All right, so also we have gestures. I already explained to you the guys the gestures, which is sliding up and down, all that stuff. One-handed mode, you actually have this by just doing such, sliding to the left or the right, and you can choose actually what inch screen do you prefer. Would you prefer 4.5, 3.5? Very, very convenient from Alcatel to include such technical stuff. Let's go back to advanced, and let's go to the apps. Here you have the app permission. Typical thing, you have the permission once you install it from the Play Store. So this is really nice actually. Smart Manager, notification, battery, storage. So this is like the dashboard for your phone, and here you can check what do you want to have, or what your situation going on with your phone is excellent, and you can just go to each single thing over here, like storage 115 gigabytes, memory left is 4.4, notification, battery. Let's go to the battery, for example. So you have 189 minutes. That's a lot, man. Anyways, you have smart mode, you have normal saving mode, you have super saving mode as well, and we have auto start apps. Interesting. So you might ask yourself, when I start my phone, should I have some apps to be started already, or I should just turn it off? It's up to you now. So you can choose what apps actually running while you started. Maybe something was working on the background. All you have to do is just shut them off. All of them, just shut them off. So you can have better battery in the beginning. So you can, maybe you're just a YouTuber, right? You just go watch YouTube. So you don't need all that stuff. Notification section. So what do you want to allow for notifications? What application would you like to prefer to be in your notification, which is really great, addition here, which I really like it here in the dashboard. That this is real dashboard, right, guys? So let's go to storage. 30 gigabyte be used, and can tell you photo, video, games, apps, all that stuff. Memory also can tell you what memory do you have, and actually show you used as 6 gigabyte of RAM. That's more than enough, guys, by the way, for Android. Anyways, that's for the smart manager. For sound is just a typical thing. So you might ask, do you have like Dolby Atmos? Do you have like special perks and anything? No, this is just a simple plug and play sound, nothing else. Silent mode, you just allow it from here. I don't know why they allow it. It should be like, say, different. Maybe this guy over here, this is the Google Assistant bottom. Maybe you can just program it to silent. That's not happening. Anyways, so do not disturb reference, sleeping, front and ringtones, vibration, default notification setting, other sounds and vibrations, screen locking sound. So you can choose what sound that you have from your notification. All right, accounts, typical Google account, digital well-being. It's here, guys, digital well-being. So sure data, there you go. You can see how many locks and all that stuff. So it's good for monitoring your phone. If you have kids that use your phone, you want to know what they are going and how long they stay there. So this is really great. Accessibility, this is for the to help, for the accessibility and screen reader display interaction. So yeah, this is mainly for I believe people for of disabilities and stuff like that. System, there you go. So we have system app updates, system update. This is the typical update. You just check for update, and then bam, you have the update. Nothing special. They have different coloring and sections. Update apps. So this is the applications, let's say bloatware that comes with the Alcatel. I don't really go here and check things out. I don't care about it. I only care about the main apps and the, excuse me, the main operating system update. Language and input, Google Keyboard, it has all languages that you have, and you want to know how to change your language, you just go to the language input here and add the language, and just add whatever your country's language here. We have it all in here installed. And let's go back. I'm actually surprised the phone is snappy, guys. Like, it's very speedy. It's not, there is no lag at all. There are no crashes, nothing. I really like what Alcatel is going right now. Uh, so we date and time backup. This is to back up your stuff. So it backs up to Google Drive. No special cloud storage or anything. You reset your phone. Regularity about the phone. All right, so here about the phone, this is the model number, Android security 5th of October, so just recently. This is the MediaTek P23, guys. This is MediaTek P23, very nice MediaTek graphic card, but it's not the perfect one, but it's okay. And it's good actually for this price, you know, to be honest with you. This is it about the setting of the Alcatel 3X 2019. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna do another test of the speaker, the camera, all that stuff later on. So keep the bell icon on and see you guys later.